citrus garlic smoked pork shoulder that falls apart the second you touch it. Yeah, we're going there today. So let's start with this 11-pound pork shoulder. First thing I'm doing is waking it up with a citrus binder. I zest 1 orange, squeeze about 2 tablespoons of the juice, add a splash of lime, a little apple cider vinegar, and a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Mix it up and give the pork a full body massage. Yes, moisturize your meat. It deserves love too. Now we build the rub. In a bowl, I'm mixing 3 tablespoons of kosher salt, a big spoon of garlic powder, some onion powder, 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika, a tablespoon each of coriander, oregano, and black pepper, plus a pinch of cumin and a little chili powder if you want to add attitude. We're cooking, not whispering. Now grab a small knife and poke little flavor pockets all over the pork. Press some binder and rub inside each slit. This is how we get that deep citrus garlic flavor all the way to the bone. Season every inch of this shoulder. Don't be shy. Let it chill in the fridge for a few hours or overnight if you want that bark to snap. Next day, the smoker goes to 250 degrees. Add your wood chips once, apple or cherry. That's it. More smoke won't do anything after the first few hours, so save your chips and your stress. Set the pork fat side up and let it ride. Don't open the smoker, don't spritz, don't poke it. The citrus binder and natural fat keep it juicy on their own. Mine took about 9.5 hours to hit that magical 203 to 208 degrees inside. That's when the collagen melts and the bone just gives up and slides right out. That's fall apart tender pork, baby. Once it's done, let it rest for an hour, then pull that bone out, shred it, slice it, whatever you're in the mood for. That glossy citrus garlic aroma, that's your reward. Here's your mini soul snack. You can do everything right and still need more time. Don't rush your process. Whether it's cooking or life, heat, patience, and a little faith go a long way. For the full written recipe, head over to kelvinskitchen.com. I've got everything waiting for you there. Enjoy!